everyone, and welcome to Priceless Cuisine. This video is literally me formally introducing myself to you as Priceless. So this is the face behind it and the pot, the food that you have been watching. First of all, I want to say thank you very much for liking, for watching, for commenting, for even subscribing. You're wonderful and you are the real MVP. I do appreciate that. As you get to know me, you'll find out that I love delicious food. It means I get to cook delicious food. And that's also because in a part of the world where I live, I do not have the opportunity to walk into any restaurant and say, can I have a Malayan bakery? You know why? Because we have limited restaurants, African restaurants here. And even the few, you might not even like their cooking. So it means there's so many things I got to equip myself with in the kitchen. And I'm happy and proud that I learned so many things. This is literally a channel where you can hop into and learn how to cook so many things for kitchen stuff, maybe some lifestyle, and they're short videos made for easy learning, step by step. There's always a description to tell you what you need for the cooking. And you know what, you're gonna enjoy so much more from this channel. This is me saying you're formally welcome to this channel. This is Priceless and this is Priceless Cuisine. Do not forget, God loves you and remain blessed. See you in my next video. Thank you.